Hurry. Oh no! The Gladiator got us! No, no, no. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. Oh my gosh. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome here to a perfect day in Chicago, Illinois. 2 days ago, we were in Salt Lake City. We drove through Wyoming, Nebraska, Iowa, here to Chicago. Tonight, we were headed off to Michigan because the Gladiator, you know, V6, 285 horsepower is nice and all, but it needs a boost. However, we're making a pit stop here at B-Rogue Built. You guys might remember, they have twin turbo Lamborghinis. Now, I'm not gonna say we're gonna twin turbo the Gallardo, but the Aventador, we'll see. If you didn't see the last vlog, Clayton and Faith wrapped the Gladiator matte iced amethyst titanium. Looks sensational. We got the Pro Comp 40s, we got the bronze wheels, so we put about 1,500 miles on this so far. I think we might race this against the twin turbo Huracan, maybe. B-Rogue Built. Simplicity is complicated. We have the matte yellow Huracan Performante. This is getting a twin turbo kit. We got the Gallardo LP550-2 also to get a twin turbo kit. And we have the Super G with the single turbo, another Huracan getting another twin turbo. So yeah, if you like twin turbos and single turbos and Lamborghinis, well. Last time I was here, I was talking with Brandon B-Rogue about twin turboing my Gallardo, and then he spiked my curiosity with the idea, the notion of twin turboing my Aventador. Now, Aventadors don't really get twin turbo kits. There's probably fewer than 20 in the entire world. Like, that's it. 6.5 liter V12, high dollar value car. I mean, you can get insane performance. We're talking 1,550 wheel horsepower, but it's still like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I mean, obviously I should, but let me know. There's just something about a twin turbo Lamborghini that gets your heart racing, the adrenaline. I mean, this is really pushing the envelope of what is safe. We're talking 1,100 crank horsepower, 1,100 crank horsepower. So we're actually headed to Guadalajara, Mexico right now. So we'll see you in about, I don't know, I think it's about 29 hours. That was just to warm up the tires. That wasn't even the acceleration. Whew. I had Dunkin' Donuts this morning for breakfast. That was the wrong choice, but we're good so far. Oh my gosh. That acceleration, like, off the bat was insane, but the craziest part is it just kept pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling. I think I might have popped a blood vessel or something. Okay, that'll spike the heart rate early in the morning. We're good. That's a beautiful day here in Guadalajara. You're going for a ride. Oh, heck yeah, yeah, those donuts you had, best of luck. Keep them off the leather, it's Italian. I don't even know what just happened right there. That was utterly insane. It's all like a blur. See you later, Clayton, best of luck. So Clayton had a coconut. I need a twin turbo Lamborghini. Clayton had a coconut donut, a maple bar, a frosted donut, and a croissant, so. The white Huracan was very, very, very impressive, but now we need to experience the green one. I walked into B-Rogue Built this morning and I was an innocent man, and now Brandon has corrupted me. I need this in my life. I need a twin turbo in my life. Obviously I don't own a Huracan, but I do have an Aventador. It looks so good in motion. Ew. So the Gladiator has an engine swap coming soon, so we're gonna try to sort of race it, because right now it's very, very slow, but someday it's gonna be very fast. Whoa, that looks sick. Bye-bye. Later this evening, we are headed off to Michigan in the Gladiator. I'm dropping it off there for 5 weeks, and we're getting a new engine swap. It might be a Hellcat, maybe a Demon, more to come on that. Anyways, we need to get our baseline. We need to find out how slow is the Gladiator, so we're gonna race it against the 812 horsepower, wheel horsepower twin turbo Huracan. I don't want to embarrass you, but yeah,
it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, sorry. This is gonna be embarrassing for Brandon. Like, I mean, he just doesn't even stand a chance. He doesn't realize. Yeah, good luck. Yes, go, 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 go! Hit it, Gladiator! Yes, yes, yes! Oh. Go, 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 go! I am foot to the floor right now. This is embarrassing, but I am foot to the floor. Alright. Oh no! 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 See ya! Bye! So the Gladiator's headed off to Michigan later this evening. We're gonna... Oh, whoa! Hey, whoa! So we're headed off to Michigan this evening. We're gonna be getting a V8 swap. We're gonna come back to Chicago afterward, and we're gonna compete in the same kind of race. And I mean, hopefully the Gladiator will be actually respectable. We were racing the twin-turbo Huracan and the Gladiator, and then Alex texted us and said his Mercy was arriving like right now, and the truck is right there. This twin-turbo Huracan has 812 wheel horsepower, 950 crank horsepower. After the Gladiator gets back from Michigan, it's gonna have more crank horsepower than this twin-turbo Huracan. Like, there's no snakery, there's no joke. I don't wanna spoil it. That's gonna have more than 950 crank horsepower. Also, Lambo Jesus' Mercy just arrived, like it's right there. This is a very odd sequence in the vlog and I apologize for that, but I have a bit of a pull-up competition I'm competing in right now on July 3rd versus the Burlacker. We're on the road, I gotta be in shape. So like, if you want to skip ahead, go for it, but I gotta do some pull-ups. Don't worry, I'll get the start up.
How's that donut doing?
Man, look at that pump. Oh, how many is that, Clayton?
That's 5.
5? That was like 9.
I think it was 7. That was 17.
For you, Nick. 17. We are getting a homie hookup. It has a frequency intelligence exhaust right there. This thing is sick. All right, so we're gonna try to sneak on back there. I feel like I'm living in a dream world right now. Someday, hopefully soon, I will be in this exact spot, but it'll be my Murcielago LP640 and not Alex's. Oh, you guys remember this? We saw this off in Huntington Beach. The exhaust on this thing is insane. I'm trying to figure out a couple things. The first thing is how in the world did he get this Mercy in the truck? And then the second thing is it has vertical doors and I don't know how he's gonna get inside. I don't know how he's gonna get inside. Look at that maneuver. Whoa. Mike, you're so flexible. Dude, that's insane.
Yeah.
What? That was like no big deal.
Like you guys were talking about not eating. We can't eat.
Jeez. This is gonna be a cold startup on an LP640 in an enclosed trailer. So I'm out here risking my eardrums. They're all, dude, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm going over here. Someday very, very, very soon. V12 Lamborghini Murcielago. Oh, I need the car. I'm starting to get lightheaded. I'm not gonna say that Mercy doesn't have cats, but I'm starting to get lightheaded. Also, it's very stressful in there. The Mercy is so wide and this trailer is not very wide. You're welcome. You're welcome. This neighborhood just got a whole lot cooler. I forgot it's been too long. When I met Alex at Cars and Copters, we kind of talked because I knew I was going to be here in Chicago, and it's so fortunate. Like, it just arrived right now. We're headed out of town in like an hour. It's not as fast as the twin turbo Huracans, but the sound. Oh my gosh, it is so addicting. I love Lamborghinis. That purple looks so good, I cannot get over it. Thank you for that. That was much appreciated. The viewers appreciated that as well. You're welcome. I need a Mercy. I need it. I just need one. I need one. Guys, I need one. Twin turbo Huracan is faster, but this looks better. It has the doors, and goodness gracious, it sounds amazing. And then we got the Gladiator. Check this out, Jeep Nation, Lambo Nation. We got the SRT8, the LP640, the twin turbo Huracan, and the Gladiator, and lunch is right there. Thank you so much.
All right, you guys want salt, pepper?
10 ounces, 10 ounces, boys.
Do you have mustard?
We have a bunch of fatties here in Chicago. I don't know if you can tell, that was a 10-ounce burger. I have a gut now. So we're hopping in the Gladiator. We're headed back to B-Rogue, and then we're driving to Michigan. what that girl's thinking. Sorry, he's weird. Yeah, I know. Lambo owners are the worst. This is definitely not the last time we're gonna be here at B-Rogue Built. If today's video, how many likes, Brandon? Big, we need a big number. Yeah, we're talking like at least 100,000. 100,000? 100,000, we need 100,000 likes. We need to break records. If we can get 100,000 likes, we will twin turbo the Aventador. Not like this week, but like soon, 100,000. 100,000. Clayton and Faith bought me these new kicks, purple camo to match the OG Gallardo. We got the new Vans there, the new Adidas. The Gladiator's been sitting here in the street for like 40 minutes, but nobody stole it, so we're good. Are you buckled in?
Oh, I'm not even.
Go! Oh, Clayton. Actually, I probably shouldn't hit the brakes. Never mind. So yeah, we're going to Michigan, which is that way, and it's 5 hours and 53 minutes. I'm dropping knowledge out here. That building right there, you see that tall black one? At one point, that was the world's tallest building. It's called the Willis Tower, but all the locals call it the Sears Tower. So, we got a track hawk, 707 horsepower. Come on, whip it. Let's go. I got you. Oh no! Dude, that thing sounds incredible, but soon we're gonna have more horsepower. We're in Birmingham, Michigan. We've driven 1,823.7 miles, and we have averaged 11.2 miles to the gallon. That is quite impressive. It's 1:26 a.m. I'm not gonna shout to the camera too much. Today's video is effectively over. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, so be sure to smash that like button, but just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.